Hey hookers, welcome back to Inspired by a Smile. This is Christy with a new tutorial. Well, kind of new. It's my scrunchie tutorial, just shortened. So if you have an elastic and a 4mm hook and some acrylic yarn or whatever yarn you want to use, I'm gonna take you through my scrunchie tutorial, but again, it's shortened. This is what it will look like when it's done, just different color. And I'm using granny square yarn. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I've got my elastic and hook here. Again, I'm using 4mm and I've got my yarn. You want to make the tail long enough. You can actually crochet over the little end piece. I actually usually do. So you just want to start by getting it onto the elastic like that. And you're going to do single crochet all the way around on the elastic. Again, you can crochet over that end piece. I usually do, and I don't know why I didn't. But you can also sew it in after as well. It doesn't matter. So essentially you want to have enough single crochets on the elastic to cover it. I ended up with, I believe, 36, but yours will be different depending on the size yarn you use as well. But if you're using acrylic, specifically granny square yarn, it took 36 to nicely cover the elastic. So I'm going to keep going. Just do all the single crochets onto the elastic and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the beginning of the, end of the row, beginning of the second row. See, I've got the elastic covered. It looks looking good. See, I'm adding that extra stitch now. I decided to. So yeah, just make sure your elastic is nicely covered with the yarn. Now you want to do a slip stitch into the corner and then do a chain. And then in the first stitch, you want to do 2 double crochet. Now I would like to thank everyone for watching my videos so far. I really do appreciate it. If you can, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't. It's all much appreciated. So the second stitch, you want to do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So you're going to just keep continuing that around. I'm just going to do that again here just to show you, but before I turn off the video. If you guys want, you can also follow me on any of my other social accounts. They're all linked at the top of my YouTube channel. And if you're watching from Facebook, all of my links are on my Facebook page near the top under my profile picture. So yeah, you're just going to keep going around till you get back to the beginning. 2, 3, 2, double crochet all the way around. And then I'll meet you back before we start the next row just to show you how to start that. So you want to keep doing that all the way around to the beginning. Alright, so we're at the beginning of the row. Just gotta fix the camera here. My daughter was being a pest a little bit while I'm making this, so she always makes things interesting. So that is the first row all nice and done. Well, second row technically. So again, we're going to do a slip stitch into the top corner of the stitch, and you want to do a chain. And same thing, you're going to do 2 double crochet in the first stitch as soon as I can see it and get it in there. This was an easier tutorial to redo, and I really wanted to shorten it. It was like, I think, almost an hour long just for a scrunchie tutorial, so I just couldn't have that. So second stitch, we're doing 3 double crochet, same stitch. Now when you're done this row, it's really going to make it nice and frilly. It looks so nice when it's done. And I love making them with granny square yarn. So yeah, just keep doing that again, guys, all the way around. 2, 3, 2, double crochet. Alright, so that's all done. Looking good. You can go bigger if you really want to, but this is the perfect size. So we're going to end with a slip stitch in the top of the corner here. And just cut a long enough tail because we're going to sew this into the scrunchie. So again, thank you everyone for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. And like I said, if you want to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications if you haven't yet, do so. Like the video. That also helps keep it in the algorithm for other people to watch. And if you do want to make a donation or sign up to subscribe to my Facebook page or on Patreon, all those links are at the top of my YouTube channel. And again, if you're on Facebook watching, I do upload these to Facebook, so I figured I'd mention that. All my links are also underneath my profile picture on my page. So we're just going into the scrunchie here, into the back of the stitches, and we're going to fasten this off. Also guys, I didn't mention yet, since it's a kind of a quick tutorial, if you have any suggestions for new tutorials, please don't be shy. Let me know. I like taking tutorial requests from you guys. I have already, and I love your ideas. Also, if you have any finished project pictures of things you've made from my tutorials or even videos, I'd like to see those too. I love seeing them. I have a few already, and it's nice to see my work being done by other people. It really is, especially when you put your own personal touch on it. So now we're hiding the little piece at the beginning there. I'm just going straight into the single crochet row to hide it. Again, I usually actually crochet over that. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't for my other one too. I just made another scrunchie previous to this, and for some reason I didn't crochet over that. It's much easier, but this was okay. It didn't take too long to tuck it in, and it's not too hard. But you can save yourself some time by just crocheting over it. And I can't wait to get this on there. It's much shorter. There was no need to make this a 50-minute video. Hopefully more people watch it. That's the end game as well. That's the goal. So now I'm going to carefully snip this. And then when you're done, you just want to kind of manipulate the scrunchie and get the little, I don't even know what to call those, but make it more frilly, I guess. There we go, much better. And looking good. They don't take long. They're a great stash buster and quick project. Awesome job, guys. It looks so pretty. Yay!